science on a Sunday. So today we're here to make a Super Bowl. We got a science bag. It does science. What we got? We got cup. We got cup 1 and cup 2. That's totally how you science, right? We got corn flour. What's some borax. I don't know. We got glow in the dark glue. And we got more glue. Dang. Hey!
There goes Hawaii!
Hey. Whew. And we got a spoon.
Island is gone.
I created this, okay? It doesn't exist. Doesn't exist, okay? I'm innovative. Yeah, this is brand new. Yeah. Steps to make it DIY better. Yeah. Step 4. Alright, so first we're gonna pour boiled water. You know, it's in a bottle. It probably works. Yeah. And we got some borax. Yep. Alright, you know what? We just stir it. We stir it. That's probably fine. That's probably fine. Probably works. Oh. Like I said, how much water? 2 tablespoons of warm water. Half a tablespoon of borax. Yep. Wait, is that a teaspoon? Same. Alright, yep. Alright. How is this? So I don't know how much a teaspoon is. So, and I don't have one. I only have a tablespoon. So I imagine just kind of like. A little bit more. Woo. Yeah, maybe we can do a little bit more. Yeah. I know what I'm doing. Yep, I got the coat, you know. If I have the coat, that means I am certified to know what I do. Alright, then we get some water. Alright, yeah, that's fine. And then we just stir it. You know? I totally know what I'm doing. Okay, don't worry about it. Everyone loves science, right? Just mix stuff. Yeah. Alright, step 2. Yeah. All the glue and stuff. No, I'll guess it. Alright, it's fine. Or food coloring. One sec. Alright. I have food coloring. Probably don't need it. Anyway, it's fine. Look, and we can get pizzazzy with it. You didn't see. You saw. Absolutely. Alright. Yeah. That's probably fine. Let me just. You ain't see any of this, alright? This is not here. This is all coming from here. Yep. All these cogs in here making this, alright? Yep. Because I'm a science guy. I'm science. I know science. Science is me and I am science. Yes. Okay. So, you know, it's probably fine. Yep, just half a tablespoon. Yep, this is a spoon right here. Yep. Oh, you know that's probably okay. Probably. Alright, we get that. What? I don't think that's enough. Not gonna lie. This is totally fine. Okay. So it should be done. Now this looks completely like. Yeah, this looks completely like a ball. Yeah. And here we got ball. Alright. Take 2. So instead this time I'm just gonna put a bunch of stuff together. Nothing too extreme, you know. Alright, yeah, that's totally a cup-ish. Alright, yep. Average size, so that's just like a teaspoon, maybe. One teaspoon, yep. Definitely a teaspoon. Can confirm. Oh, let me take a seat. Just wait, you know, just like some amount of time. I don't know how much. Yeah, it'll probably work. Look, that looks like it clearly bounce. No! Oh! Oh, you know, I reckon I could bounce it into a cup. I've got like the remnants of like this. I reckon I could bounce it in. Hey. Oh. 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 This has been Science Sunday, and I will see you next week. Oh look, oh wow. Yep, this is totally a working Super Ball. Yep. On the bright side, I got some free nail polish. You know, that's nice. And I look like a terracotta warrior. Make a comment in the comments. Yep, comment section below if you got a recommendation for like some experiment for me to do. You know, because obviously I can do it. This obviously works. As you can see, I'm definitely better than a child. This is a bonus segment of Science Sunday. Handshake.
Is it all at the bottom?
Oh.
Yeah, probably close the door.
Alright, handshake.
Super Bowl. Where is it? Yes.
Was it worth it?
My hand is burning. You know what? That's okay. Ish. Good old handshake, yeah.
That's an experience that will not be encountered.
Yes, this is why you should all make Super Balls, but with parent supervision. Okay. You can't do this without adults. Okay. We're professionals.
It's got a hair in it.
Oh. We have a third ball. A Super Bowl, you might say.
No. Splooge everywhere.
This is what Super Bowl does. It brings people together.
Prime interaction. I
was doing trick shots earlier. Yep, it exploded.
He told me it wasn't gonna explode.
If you throw it hard enough,
Lies, Mum! He lied to me.
you know, Super Bowl may have its limitations.
Make sure you clean that shit up.
Okay.
What's Cade spelled backwards?
Yeah,
That's right. Mr. Miyagi.
Hey, what?
Michelle's at Michelle.
Alright, it's turned on.
It's stuck!
Oh no! Oh no! Behind the scenes, BTS.
Barbecue.
Oh jeez. Okay, be warned, kids. If you use this near anything that is black, it will show up.
Just brush it up.
Yeah, this is car. For only $5.99, we can do a barbecue cleaning. Perfectly clean, I would say. I'll see you next week for more science. Yeah, and you'll be here, right? Right? You'll come watch me make more science, right? Surely, yeah. Surely you come back and watch more science, yeah.